Hi guys, in this video we will going to have the front end implementation for the delete. So we will go to the api.js and we need to define a delete employee by id. So this will have the id and let's return axios dot delete. So the logic inside will be as the same as this one. So we just need to have the id and the path to the employee. So let's have this. For the delete, we will have the action to remove the user from our state. So we will go to the action.js and define this. So let's save the changes. So we need to go to the action.js. Okay, and we need to define another type in the action type for the delete. So let's duplicate this. We will change this to delete as well as here delete. Okay, so let's save the changes and go to the action. First, let's define a function. Okay, function delete employee. This will receive the id because we will use the id to delete. Okay, and we need to return the type and the payload. Okay, so the type here is for the delete. We have to access action types dot employee dot delete, comma, then the payload. So the payload is the id because we are deleting based on the id now. So let's go further and we need the delete employee export function. Then we need delete employee, in this case action. So this will to receive the id and let's define the logic inside this. We'll return dispatch. So and we use the api dot delete employee by id. Then we will pass the id to the delete employee by id. Then we need to dispatch. Okay, the only thing we will do here, so we will call the dispatch followed by our delete employee, then the id. That is all we need to do here. So if we want, we can break this down so it better. So let's have this. This is what it will return. Okay, so we finished defining this. Then we need to update our reducer. We need to remove this. So let's go to the reducer. So and we will define a new case. So let's have action types dot employee dot delete. So we will define the logic here. This will return. So we need to go to the employees that we have. So and find the one we will filter with we will filter the one that has the ID that we pass in the payload. So we need state, the right state, then employees, then we need to filter. Okay, we will filter when the item equal to item.id. Okay, I use item, that is the item that we have inside the array, and you can change it to just employee. So let's change this to employee ID. Then so we will set this that is not equal to the deleted one, that is action dot payload. Okay, that is that we need to define. So let's save these changes and break this down is better. So that is what we have for the delete in the reducer. We remove the employee, we remove the employee from our state. So the next thing we will do, we'll go into the employee list. Inside the employee list, we will define a new function and delete. So we need to import the action here, that is the delete action, delete employee action. So and we'll define a function here, and this function we will call it delete employee. So and we will delete with ID, based on the ID. So the only thing we will do inside this function, we will dispatch the delete employee action and pass the ID. So we will pass this to a new button that we will create when we click. So let's go to, we will duplicate this button. Okay, so and we want to change its color to red, and this will be delete. So button dot danger, so that is better. And we will change the on click for this, we will have delete employee. So let's have delete employee. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Let's save the changes and go to the employee list. You can see we have the delete, but we need to have some space between the days. Okay, before testing, let's go to and have a style inside this. We'll have margin left, margin left. So the margin left, will set this to 5. Let's save the changes and check. So it's better now. Let's try to delete this user. You see we have deleted. Let's add another user and try to delete Aliyu, Adamu, and I set this to Aliyu Sahabo Adam at gmail.com. So Aliyu Sahabo Adam at gmail.com. So let's delete this again. So it deleted. So this is the end of this series where we build this application, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share.